Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, aspiring night guards. In this video, I will explain how to play 5 Nights at Freddy's on keyboard. We'll cover the essential controls you need to survive 5 nights against the animatronics. You'll learn to manage your power, operate the security doors, and monitor the cameras, all using just your keyboard. Get ready to master the office and outsmart Freddy and his friends, ensuring you make it to 6 a.m. Let's dive into the essential key bindings. To check your cameras, simply press the W key to raise your monitor. When you're done, press S to lower it and return to your office view. For the left door, a turns on the light and Q closes the door. On the right side, D activates the light and E closes that door. Mastering these 6 keys is crucial for your survival. Mastering the camera system is vital for tracking animatronics. While the mouse is often used, you can also navigate cameras with arrow keys or specific number keys, depending on the game version. Focus on key areas like the show stage, Pirate Cove, and the West Hall. Remember, every second your monitor is up consumes precious power. Use it strategically, checking only when necessary to conserve your limited energy supply. To truly excel, incorporate these strategic tips. Always listen for subtle audio cues. They often signal an animatronic's approach before you see them. Close doors only when absolutely necessary, as each closure drains a significant amount of power. Make it a habit to quickly check both door lights after lowering your monitor. Finally, practice your reflexes. Quick reactions are your best defense against the unexpected jump scares that await you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.